everyone, my name is Ornella Hernandez and I'm your CryptoTV host. I'll be breaking down some of the latest news from the Web3 world. Today we're going to talk about two big headlines from this week, Telegram's new crypto wallet and how Vitalik Buterin's X, formerly Twitter account, was hacked. Let's get into it. First off, crypto has a new wallet, thanks to Telegram, the popular messaging application and the one with all of your crypto groups on it. It just made a big move in crypto by launching a wallet called TonSpace. And here's everything you need to know about it. It's self-custodial, meaning that you have control over your keys, or at least you should, and your private keys, which represent ownership of your crypto, are stored directly on the web browser or your mobile device, where you access your crypto from, and not on a centralized exchange like Coinbase.com, for example. And Coinbase Wallet is another example of a self-custodial wallet. Now, Ton is being launched by a joint partnership between Telegram and the Ton Foundation, the group that helped develop the Ton blockchain. And Ton stands for the Open Network, by the way. The two companies are teaming up 3 years after parting ways, following a lawsuit from the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. Surprise, surprise, which it cited an offering of unregistered securities. This probably explains why the crypto wallet will be available for most Telegram users starting in November, except those users in the US. Now, I'm calling this a win. And since the news was announced this week during the Token 2049 conference in Singapore, the blockchain's native token, Ton, is up. And I think that this matters because Telegram is huge. The chat app currently has around 800 million monthly active users, and it's quietly been making its way into the crypto world with a growing list of mini apps like decentralized payments within the app. And now developers can create crypto apps on the Ton blockchain that can easily integrate with the new wallet too. The app seems to be moving more and more towards becoming a super app that performs all sorts of functions, from not just chatting, but to news and to banking services. This sounds familiar. It's the same approach that Elon Musk is taking in its race to make X what he calls an everything app. Speaking of X, formerly Twitter, it may have a new name, but apparently it's still not so safe yet, especially against cyber attacks. And the most recent victim of a cyber attack was Ethereum's co-founder, Vitalik Buterin. His X account was compromised and people lost at least $691,000 due to a malicious link that falsely promoted a free NFT. Here's a tweet posted by the malicious actors stating that Consensus, a well-known company for Ethereum developers, had decided to distribute non-fungible tokens or commemorative NFTs to users. And to do so, all they had to do was access a link included in the post, and then people fell for it. Well, because they either trust Buterin or they like free stuff, or both. The tweet was deleted after 20 minutes, but not before thousands of enthusiasts and fans, many part of Buterin's 4.9 million followers on X, accessed the hacked page and entered their personal data, believing that it was seriously a promotion launched by Buterin. And the thieves stole almost $700,000 in virtual assets, including NFTs as well. Crypto Twitter users were quick to raise the alarm about the fake link, but the first apparent acknowledgement that Buterin was hacked actually came from his dad, Dmitry or Dima Buterin. He wrote, "Ignore this post. Apparently Vitalik has been hacked. Is working to restore access." The blockchain security and analysis firm PeckShield was the first to report the phishing attack against Vitalik Buterin's account, and thankfully the post was deleted within 20 minutes. Now, let me explain what a phishing attack is. No actual fish are involved or harmed by this method of tricking people into sharing confidential information such as passwords and credit card numbers. Now, like phishing, there is more than one way to catch a victim. In this case, if a user takes the bait and clicks on the link, they are sent to a website that is an imitation of the legitimate one. And from there, they're asked to log in with their username and password credentials, and all that login information goes straight to the attacker, who could then use it to steal identities, drain bank accounts, or even sell personal information on the black market. Now, in the midst of all this, one user, Jesse Butson, decided to make a kind of joke and send an NFT to the hacker. But then the hacker sent it to Vitalik Buterin because, well, it's an NFT of him. or rather a caricature with closed eyes and gold teeth. This NFT is part of Vitalik Elementals collection, and it was released in early September in honor of the father of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, but it is in no way associated with him. And this is definitely one of the weirder things that happens within the crypto world and internet culture. However, with this latest incident, Twitter's own security has been called into question by Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, or CZ no less, who wrote that the security of the platform's accounts is not well designed compared to traditional financial platforms. It needs quite a bit more features. 2FA, login ID should be different from handle or email, etc., Zhao wrote, referring to two-factor authentication. In the past, I have had my Twitter account locked a few times due to hackers trying to brute force it. This was before the Elon era, before Musk bought Twitter. Two-factor authentication is the most common security method that requires two sets of information to verify a user's identity before logging into an account. Twitter supports it, but only for users who pay for Twitter Blue, which Buterin has. But according to a senior Ethereum developer, Tim Bako, phone numbers linked to X can be used to reset passwords. He advised to disable the phone number and delete it from your account. If your Twitter account predates crypto, strongly recommend double-checking and adding strong 2FA. Bako then gave X's owner, Elon Musk, some advice. Seems like a no-brainer to have this default on, or to default turn it on when an account reaches more than 10,000 followers. It's also important to turn this option on in the X account security settings. It's the password reset protection feature, and this requires you to enter your email or phone number in a field before Twitter sends you the password reset link. The most important thing is to make sure that you remove any phone numbers from the account, especially if you have added one just to get the blue check. Otherwise, hackers can target you for a SIM swap, also known as SIM jacking. And this is a technique to gain control of the victim's phone number and then gain access to bank accounts, social media accounts, and crypto exchange accounts as well. Which is exactly what happened to Vitalik Buterin, who confirmed that the recent hack of his X account was the result of a SIM jacking attack. Buterin took to the platform Farcaster on September 12 to write that he finally got his T-Mobile account back after the hacker managed to take control of it through a SIM swap attack. Yes, it was a SIM swap, which means someone socially engineered T-Mobile itself to take over my phone number. Buterin added, I had seen the phone numbers are insecure, don't authenticate with them, advice before, but I hadn't realized this. Buterin ended with, anyway, glad to be on Forecaster where my account recovery can be controlled by a good Ethereum address. This is not the first time T-Mobile has been involved in such an attack. In 2020, actually, the telecom giant was sued for allegedly allowing $8.7 million worth of cryptocurrencies to be stolen in a series of SIM swap attacks. Now, let's talk a little bit more about Forecaster. It's considered a decentralized social network, which means that all of the information generated in the network is stored on-chain. The Farcaster application that Buterin used is called Warpcast. It's actually pretty similar to Twitter. It allows you to post content, reply to others, share their posts, send direct messages, but it doesn't feature hashtags. And it also has a NFT sharing feature built in. But looks like Buterin prefers it to his X account. And there are other decentralized social applications, like Lens Protocol, for example, that are growing in popularity. In case you're interested in opening even more accounts, check it out. But if you're an X user or a big fan of Elon Musk and prefer to see how the platform evolves, then I suggest you adjust your security settings, please. What do you guys think about all this? I think that the crypto community has suffered enough from scams and cyber attacks. And incidents like this make me think that no one is safe if individuals like you or me or Vitalik Buterin can get easily hacked. So please be more conscious when it comes to your money. And in the meantime, let's welcome a special guest to the studio. So sitting here with me, we have Moutaz Saad, who is a financial advisor at the brokerage firm VT Markets. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm well. Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you so much. Thank you. First of all, thank you for inviting me to be in here with you. I really am so grateful for you. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure.
Well, I'm grateful to have a financial expert in set today because I wanted to learn a little bit more about the comparisons between the financial world and the crypto world. So let's first start off with just an overview of what VT Markets is and what your role is.
Okay. Actually, I am Moutaz Saad. I've been in the Forex business industry like 20 years ago. I joined this business in the year 2003. I've worked for so many brokerage firms which deal in Forex basically with all its products. Currently, I'm working as a financial advisor for VT Markets, which is the main thing they do is Forex, as I told you, with all the products of Forex, including one of them is the main actually product is cryptocurrencies. Why? Because everybody likes crypto, everybody likes to invest in cryptos.
Do you like crypto?
I do like it actually, but I like some other products as well, like gold, for example.
Okay. Why do you prefer gold over BTC, for example?
Actually, for me as an advisor, because most clients, they believe in gold. They think that gold might be growing up. The price of gold is going up every now and then. That's why they prefer dealing in gold. So I have to be prepared enough, expert enough about my analysis to gold and how to read the market, how to predict the future movement of the market in order to be in touch with my clients. For now, crypto, as you know, that so many people like cryptos, but others still they don't believe in this virtual or currency. That's why but day by day, cryptos are going to be more familiar to clients.
What would you say to someone who doesn't really believe in crypto and in digital currencies?
Actually, it's a real investment for cryptos. It's a product. The whole world is going to be dealing with these cryptocurrencies. Maybe by the time we might witness that everything would be in the cryptos. Nowadays, as I telling you that it might be unknown enough to some people, some clients, some investors, but still, I believe that for seminars we can help in order to make this product more familiar and more known to those people, like by seminar, and with the training courses that we sometimes do in our company in order to train those investors to know well exactly what's going on in the market, how to analyze the market, how to avoid the risks involved, how to make money, everything we just included in a training course.
So what are your views right now on the global economy and market, just generally financially, and then maybe comparing it to the crypto market?
Actually, in our business, one of the features of Forex, one of the advantages of the Forex market on the economic situation, we don't mind if the market is collapsing or going up. Clients can or investors can make money, can make profit on both directions of the market. This is one of the Forex main features that make it attractive to clients. They can, one of the ways of trading is to buy first, then sell later on if the market is going to go up. It's as usual, as it's in every product.
Right.
The other way, which is like related to Forex market, investors can, if they are predicting that the market will go down or collapse, they can start these transactions with sell. And if the market goes down, they are making money.
Are you saying the market's going to collapse? Should we be worried?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that one of the features is that clients, they can make money in both directions of the market.
Okay.
If the market is going up, they can make profits. If the market is going to go down, they still can make a profit.
Okay, so
according to their understanding of the market. Actually.
Right. So then let's compare a bit the Forex market. So the foreign exchange currencies, those are national backed currencies by countries versus cryptocurrencies, digital currencies backed by coders, I guess.
Yeah.
How can we compare those two markets?
Actually, everything nowadays, and because of the civilization that the world is going through, we can say that cryptocurrencies have very good futures. As long as it's one of the products we can, even in all the brokerage firms, they can have cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. They have it as instruments for their clients to be trading on.
Right.
Means that they even still use the leverage system, which enlarges the client's capital in order to get high returns. They can trade on the cryptos as well as the real currencies. Crypto, I believe that I know so many clients, I've met them that they do prefer trading on the cryptos more than any other real currencies like the euro or Great British Pound or Japanese yen.
Why do you think that?
They might believe that it has higher returns. Yeah.
Well, is that because it's more risky?
You know that Forex in general and crypto as well is considered a high profitable market.
Right.
When there's high profits, it might include higher risk, right? Still, there are risk tools management. We can control our risk. We can limit our risk, or the investors can limit their risks, not just by using some of the techniques on the platforms, like using the stop lose limit or take profit orders, or all these techniques are there on the platform, which is friendly to use,
right,
especially ours, MT4 and MT5. Yeah.
And do you have any advice for traders who want to get in, who want to start trading, whether it's more traditional finance tools or crypto tools?
Actually, my advice to anyone who is going to invest and trade in this market is to be knowledgeable enough about this market. Because any investment without real management, without good management, will be not that successful, right? So the same case here in our business, whether it's FX or cryptos, it should be well understanding the market movements. How is that? For example, if somebody has, because there's, as we agreed now, that the FX market or Forex market, cryptocurrencies, they include really high risks. So they must be aware what the market is going, where the market is moving. They have to follow the fundamental analysis, which is reading the news and the affecting data that shows some impact about the currencies, the real currencies. Plus the technical analysis, they can analyze the market, the direction, the trend of the market, where the market is going to go, the support line, the resistance area. All these things, actually, the investors or traders must be knowing these things,
right,
in order to be able to avoid the risks and losses, and will be ready to make money.
You can't completely avoid risks and losses, though.
Of course, everything in life has risk. Everything in life has risks.
Yeah. And so what resources then do you recommend to maybe someone who doesn't have a financial advisor or, on call, but wants to kind of start on their own?
We are ready to teach those investors. We are ready to educate them. We are ready to help them. We are ready to share our view market with them, in order, especially our clients, of course, those who choose the VT markets to be dealing with. We are ready to help them, assist them, train them, free, of course, give them free training courses, and be side by side with them in order to achieve their financial goals. How? We don't mind to share them. For example, personally, I share with my clients what is my view about the future movement of the market, whether it's FX or cryptos. Yeah.
Okay. And so VT Markets is an Australian company.
Yes.
But you live in Dubai. So how would you describe the community here in Dubai when it comes to trading, not just traditional services, but also the crypto community?
Actually, Dubai is turning to be an international trading and investment hub, the biggest hub. Our VT Markets has been found in Australia in the year 2015. The management they like to share their success story in Australia and many other branches worldwide to Dubai here. That's why they are still fresh in Dubai. It's one of the biggest growing brokerage firms here in Dubai.
What can we expect from VT Markets in the Middle Eastern region?
Actually, VT Markets is very careful about its client satisfaction, dealing with the clients very professionally. It uses the most friendly to use platform to be serving our clients the best way. We have a lot of advantages in VT Markets that make us a little bit remarkable, or I can say second to none in this industry. Like we have many account types which suit all clients types. We have like swap-free accounts. We have zero commissions. We have very tight and spread. And I mentioned earlier, that we have training courses for those who are interested to learn and to be educated about the market. So I think that VT markets will be growing as it has been successful in other branches. It will be successful here in the MENA area, and it will be very good, will have very good reputation.
All right, and any final thoughts on the blockchain industry and what you think it holds for the future?
It's very similar to Forex, because it's all online trading and like it's virtual trading. It has very good future, I believe in. It will be growing faster. I believe that the world will witness a fast growth of these business and investments in the near future.
All right, maybe we'll get you to invest at some point.
I might, yeah, why not?
All right, well, thank you so much for your time today, Moutaz.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure. It's my pleasure to be here with you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And everyone, please stay tuned for the rest of Crypto TV and the Crypto Report.
In the crypto market, Bitcoin is currently trading at $26,500. Ethereum keeps hovering around the $1,620 price point. Solana is in the green and currently trading around $19. And Axie Infinity gaming tokens are up this week, trading at $4.80.
That's all for today on Crypto TV. Please remember to like this video if you like me and comment. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time, guys.